Hey everybody, Quinn here with Marq, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our free coupon maker in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, go ahead and select Start Designing from the coupon maker page, or you can come up to the top and select Sign Up for Free in the navigation bar anywhere on the site. If you haven't already, this is going to prompt you to create a new free account with Marq. Once through those steps, you're going to land on the logged in homepage of Marq. Now for step 2, you have 2 options. You can either come up here to the top right and select New Project and start from a blank project. Or for this example, we're going to go up here and search in the templates for coupon. Now we can see a ton of coupon templates here that we can choose from. In this example, let's go ahead and use this restaurant coupon. So I'm going to double click it here. I'm going to select Use Template and then Create Document. Give it a second to load, and there you have it. Now we have a coupon to start from. Step 3 is the fun part, start designing. You can make edits to everything from the colors, the text, the font, the imagery, the shapes, and so much more. Let me show you an example. In this case, I like the breakfast example, but let's go ahead and select a stock image over here and search for pancakes. I'm going to go ahead and select this stack of pancakes. Now, because the photo that's currently on the template is not in a frame, this is a background photo, I'm actually going to have to select over here the change. Choose our image here. There's the pancakes. I'm going to hit Insert. And I'm going to update this logo, which I was also able to create here in Marq. So let's get rid of this one. Come over to My Images. And we're going to double click my logo, the pancake house. We're going to place it in its spot and scale it down just a bit. And then I also want to update my offer to BOGO pancakes. And just like that, you were able to create a free coupon in just 3 easy steps on Marq. Go ahead and like and subscribe so that you can stay up on all the latest on the videos that we're putting out on how you can compound these tools to do more for your business, including locking components of your template, collaborating with your team, and ultimately scaling out your design process to enable your brand to do more. Thanks.